Okay, 2020 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to show you where your cabin filter is at. Go ahead and open your glove box up. Show you how to get to it. It's going to be behind that glove box door. First thing you want to do is disconnect the damper. All you got to do is just pull on this thing right here. This is the damper right there. Then you have these little stoppers right here. All you got to do is turn these counterclockwise and you can remove them. There's two of them. There's one on this side, and there's one on this side here. Alright, pull that down. Cabin filter's in here. So all you have to do is pinch these right here and you can remove the door. Here's your cabin filter right here. All you gotta do is just pull it right out. This one's pretty new, so it shouldn't be too dirty. This one doesn't look too bad. When you get your new one, you just plop it right in there. If you need a new one, there'll be a link down in the description box. I'm not replacing this one today because it doesn't look too bad. There's low miles on this thing. Just replace the door.